Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Sephora VIB sale wish list. I try to do these whenever I can in the November time. I always forget to do it around like the springtime, but here I want to do it with you guys. This is obviously my wish list, what I am considering purchasing. I'm not going to show everything that I want because this will take forever because I have some things that I have yet to buy for years that I still want. As you guys know, earlier in the year I finally bought myself that darn highlighter from Dior. So these are just a few things that I want to share with you guys that are either recent releases that I'm interested in. Maybe you guys can tell me yes, 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 go for that, or no, 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 go for this instead. I do want to purchase more skincare, but I really have to do my research before I get to that point because I do have still skincare that I have to use up, and I don't like to hoard skincare and then it goes bad. So anyway, you're here for my wish list, so let's just get right into it. All right, the first product I am interested in, and it always suckers me in, is the NARS Hot Trust Cheek Palette. Trist, right? Trust? Hot Trust? I don't know how to say that. This is beautiful. I am a complete fan of the NARS Cheek Palettes. I may or may not have gotten the last few years releases. They are just so good for the value of it because one blush will cost you $30 and you're getting 6 for $60. This is such a good deal. This one comes with a highlighter and blushes in here. It's just beautiful, and the packaging is amazing. I know I will eventually get this. I just don't know if it's going to be now. I don't even know if I'm buying anything for the VIB sale, honestly, because of this new house and all the expenses that we have, but it's nice to wish, right? The next product I would love is the Sephora Pro Smoky Jewels palette. I already own a few of these palettes myself from the previous years that they've come out with them. And now they've come out with more ones little by little, and this one has caught my attention. It's a smoky one, but it's beautiful. The formula on these is amazing. I personally like them. It is $68, so I'd rather get it at 20% off. But if not, it's something I can ask for Christmas without having to cross my fingers it doesn't get sold out and it's only limited edition. This is not limited edition versus the NARS palette. Now, I tend to really wish for lip products because I don't buy myself lip products throughout the year. I just have too many. But if I get them as gifts, I kind of feel better about them. But this caught my attention. This is the Fenty Beauty Two Little Mademoiselles Chill Out Edition. It comes in a little ball, like a little ornament, which is super cute. $19 for this. This is not bad at all. You're getting two, Griselda and Spanked, which is a bold burgundy and a dusty rose. Two colors I would absolutely rock. Look super pretty, and they're minis, which is my preference when it comes to lip products because I have too many and they go bad quickly. Now, this is something I am almost like 95% sure I'm going to get during the VIB sale. At least I'm going to try to just get this one thing because I really like it. This is Makeup Forever's Glitter Dust Set. Now, I already own some glitter dusts and I love them. Makeup Forever can be expensive, but in my opinion, they are so worth it. Everything I've tried from Makeup Forever has not disappointed me. The only thing I really haven't tried from Makeup Forever is complexion products and lip products. But as far as like eye products, I just have been such a fan. The cheek products I've been a fan of. And this is only $39. This comes with 4 loose pigments, and that's a thing. If you don't like pigments, you're not gonna like this. But me, I love pigments. So these are pretty. There's like a duochrome shade in here, a purple glitter. It's just so pretty. And for 4, I think that's a steal because one, I think is like $25, $21. So you're getting 4 for $40. Yes. The next product is also like my top 3. The blush palette, the dust set, and then this is like my top 3, rounds up my top 3. This is the Urban Decay Elements palette. $52. It is limited edition. The reason why I'm going to hesitate on this one is because you know that even though it'll sell out, I'll still be able to find it. I can ask for Christmas for this, and I don't feel like it will be a hot ticket item where it's going to be sold out and you're not going to find it anywhere. I don't feel like this is going to be that product. So I can kind of like linger on it and maybe ask for it for Christmas from someone so I don't have to worry about that one. The next product, I'm surprised it has caught my attention, but every review and everyone that I've seen use this, I'm just like, I really want this one. This is the Sugar Peach Wet and Dry Face and Eye Palette, Peaches and Cream Collection. When I originally showcased this in my top picks and skips, I wasn't really interested in it that much, but now I am. It's $42. It is permanent, so I'm not It says exclusive, so I'm assuming it is permanent, so I'm not rushing, but this is another thing I can ask for Christmas from someone, so I don't have to rush and get it, but it is on my wish list. It just looks so beautiful. Another lip set that caught my attention is the Pat McGrath Mini Matte Trance Trio. This is $25. You get 3 lip products, and I've never tried anything Pat McGrath, so this is the time to try these little trios, these little sets, because you're not paying an arm and a leg, especially for lip products. If you're going to go through them slowly, you're not going to go through them quickly, and these shades don't seem like they are super light and nude, so I don't feel like a lot of people are going to use these as often. Last but not least is another lip product. This is from Marc Jacobs. This is the Make Your Lamarque 3-piece mini liquid lip crayon set. This is $25. Again, I feel like it's a good set. I have to see how much you're getting per one, because if this is like a little rinky-dink, then it might not be worth it. But it does look pretty. The colors are appealing to me. I've wanted to try them. We'll see. We're going to test out the waters. So that's it, guys. These are the products that I thought of right away, that I was interested in, that I was considering, wondering. Again, I don't know if I'm going to purchase anything. And if I am going to purchase anything, it'll probably be just like 1 or 2 things. I don't want to go crazy because I just have so much that I'm going to move over. I have enough makeup, but it's fun to wish. It's fun to make a list. It's fun to, you know, put down things that maybe somebody else can gift for you guys. I hope you guys have fun shopping. Let me know what you guys get or what you're interested in, and even if you're not shopping, maybe what you would want to get for Christmas or for the holiday, if your birthday's coming around, you know, those type of things. So anyway, I will link and list all these products down in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next video, and don't forget that a smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. Bye, guys.